The Josco 125mm diameter polishing range includes lambswool, microfiber, foam pads and stripper discs. Our lambswool and microfiber pads offer a more aggressive finish compared to the comparable foam pads in our range. All foam pads are also machine washable. Our hook and loop backing pad has a foam middle that helps the foam pad contour over curved surfaces such as car panels. It is also designed to be used on sander polishers. Before use, make sure the backing pad is threaded on tightly to your sander polisher. Our hook and loop backing pad also includes an M14 to 8mm shank adapter. This allows it to be used with cordless drills. Always ensure the drill chuck is holding the adapter tightly before use. The Josco stripper disc is ideal for use with angle grinders to remove paint and rust from flat surfaces. To attach any hook and loop onto the backing pad, simply press it firmly in place. Stripper discs can be used flat but for optimal performance, use it on an angle. Remember to use it dry and without any compounds. Our stripper discs are designed to work with sander polishers or with a drill using the included adapter. While in use, make sure to avoid running the stripper disc over sharp or jagged edges. The Josco Surface Finishing Disc is a medium abrasive designed to work without any compound, though it can be used with a mild liquid abrasive. Some ideal uses include paint, varnish and light rust removal, or for blending light scratches. Just like the stripper disc, it is ideal to be used on an angle. Designed to work with sander polishers or with a drill using the included adapter. Our lambswool hook and loop polishing pad provides a more aggressive cut and polish compared to our synthetic microfiber pads. This makes it ideal for removing more prominent scratches and swirls. Lambswool also dissipates heat more effectively than other materials. This makes it better suited for prolonged use when working on heavier scratches. Our white microfiber cutting and polishing pad is ideal for removing light scratches and swirls from coated surfaces, or for deep cleaning of leather and vinyl. Before use, test on an inconspicuous area. The blue microfiber finishing pad is ideal for the final step of applying waxes, sealants and other finished coatings. Like all pads, our blue microfiber pad has a hole in the middle for heat dissipation. The Josco orange foam cutting and polishing pad is our densest pad. This is ideal for removing and reducing more prominent scratches and swirls on coated surfaces. Make sure not to mix different compounds on the same pad. The Josco black foam waxing pad is ideal for applying waxes that help provide UV protection and a glossy warm shine. Before use, make sure the surface is clean and clear of any previous compounds. The Josco red foam finishing pad is ideal for applying sealants and other finishing coatings to provide a more polished finish to coated surfaces. Like all our foam pads, the red foam finishing pad is machine washable. The Josco polishing range includes a range of sizes to suit a variety of applications. Follow us to stay up to date with the Josco range.